Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Vaishali Kshatri from Zeal Polytechnic ESY. So I am going to introduce about my project on develop a circuit for light on off using control using Bluetooth. So my group members are Pooja Kumbhar, Dhanashri Dabhade, Komal Jadhav, including me. Also our guide who helped into work out this our project, Priti Gaikwad ma'am. Thank you for your guiding. So let us begin with the project. Develop a circuit for light on off control using Bluetooth. Okay. I will explain the develop a circuit for light on off control using Bluetooth. So let's start it. Nowadays we have remote control for our television sets and other electronic systems which have made our lives really easy. Have you ever wondered about home automation which would give the facility of controlling tube light, fans, and other electrical appliances at home using a remote control? Of course, yes, but are the available options cost effective? If the answer is no, we have found a solution to it. We have come up with a new system called Arduino based home automation using Bluetooth. This system is super cost effective and can give the user the ability to control my electronic device without even spending for remote control. This project helps the user to control all the electronic devices using her smartphone. Time is a very valuable thing. Everybody wants to save time as much as they can. New technology are being introduced to save our time, to save people's time. We are introducing home automation system using Bluetooth. With the help of this system, you can control your home appliances from your mobile phone. You can turn on off your home appliances within a range of Bluetooth. The aim of the project is to design and construct a home automation system that will remotely switch on or off any household appliance connected to it using a microcontroller, voice dial on phone, or Bluetooth based Android application. The objective of this project is to implement a low cost, reliable, and scalable home automation system that can be used to remotely switch on or off any household appliances using a microcontroller to achieve hardware simplicity, low cost short messaging service for feedback, and voice dial from my any phone to toggle the switch state. This project work is complete on its own in remotely and automatically switching on or off of an electrical appliances not limited to household appliances and sends a feedback message indicating the new present state of the appliance. This project is one of the important Arduino based home automation using Bluetooth project helps the user to control any electronic device using device control app on their uh, Android smartphone. The Android app sends commands to the controller Arduino through wireless communication, namely Bluetooth. The Arduino is connected to the main PCB which has four relays as shown in the block diagram. These relays can be connected to different electronic device as per the block diagram. These relay can be connected to different electronic device as per the block diagram. Device 1 buzzer, device 2 fan, device 3 device 2 fan, device 3 lights. When the user press on the on button display on the app for the device 1, the buzzer is switch on. This buzzer can be switch off. by pressing the same button again. Similarly, when the user presses on the on button display on the app for the device 2, the fan is switch on. The fan can be switch off by pressing the same button again. This project of home automation using Bluetooth and Arduino can be used for controlling any AC or DC devices. In the demonstration, we have used DC fan and DC bulb. To drive this DC fan and light, a 9-volt battery is connected. It's a requirement their hardware. The list of components mentioned here are especially for controlling four different loads. First, Arduino Uno with 80 mega 328P microcontroller, HC05 Bluetooth module, 4 channel relay module, connecting wires, 9-volt power supply, smartphone or tablet. And their software requirement also. First is Arduino 1.6.9 compiler, Android application. So basically, Arduino is open source computer hardware and software company project and user community that design and manufacture eager board, microcontroller and microcontroller kits for building digital device and interactive object that can sense and control objects in the physical and digital world. The project's products are distributed as open source hardware and software, sorry, which are licensed under the GNU Laser General Public License (LGPL) or the GNU General Public License (GPL), permitting the manufacture of Arduino boards and software distribution by anyone. Arduino boards are available commercially in a pre-assembled form or as do-it-yourself kit. Arduino is open source hardware. The hardware reference design are distributed under a Creative Commons attribution share like a 2.5 license and are available on the Arduino website. Layout and production files for some versions of the hardware are also available. Although the hardware and software design are freely available under copyleft license, the developer have requested the name Arduino to be exclusive to the official product and not be used for device works without permission. The official policy document on use of the Arduino name emphasizes that the project is open to incorporating work by others into the official product. Several Arduino compatible product commercial release have avoided the project name by using various name ending in Arduino. Other variants such as the Arduino Mini and the unofficial boarding use a detectable USB to serial adapter board or cable, Bluetooth or other methods when used with traditional microcontroller tools instead of the Arduino IDE stand AVR in system program ISP programming is used. An official Arduino Uno R2 with description of the I/O location. The Arduino board exposes most of the microcontroller I/O pins for use by other circuit. The decimal and Dumilon and current Uno provide 14 digital I/O pins, 6 of which can produce pulse width modulated signals and 6 analog inputs which can also be used as 6 digital IO pins. These pins are on the top of the board via female 0.1 inch uh, headers. Several plug-in application shells are also commercially available. So as you can see, some technical specification of Arduino Uno is: first, microcontrol input voltage limits, digital IO pins, analog input pins, DC current per IO pins, DC current for 3.3 voltage pin, flash memory, SRAM, EEPROM, clock speeds. As you can see the pin description, you can see their communication. Arduino can be used to communicate with a computer, another Arduino board or other microcontrollers. The 80 mega 300 328p microcontroller provides UART TTL 5 volt serial communication, which can be done using digital pin 0 RX and digital pin 1 TX and 80 megal 6U2 on the board channels. This serial communication over USB and appears as a virtual COM port to software on the computer. The 80 mega 16U2 uh, fa- firmware uses the standard USB COM drivers and no external drivers is needed. However, on Windows an inf file is required. The Arduino software includes a serial monitor which allows simple textual data to be sent to and from the Arduino boards. There is Arduino Uno to 80 mega 328 pin mapping. As you can see the diagram, when 80 mega 328 chip is used in place of Arduino Uno or vice versa, the image below show the pin mapping between in two. As you can see there, the 80 mega 328 is a single chip microcontroller created by Atmel in the Mega AVR family. Later, microchip technology acquired Atmel in 2016. It has a modified hardware architecture, 8-bit RISC processor 1. As you can see there, they have a specification. The Atmel 8-bit AVR RISC based microcontroller combines 32 KB ISP flash memory with read while write capabilities, 1 KB EEPROM, 2 KB SRAM, 23 general purpose IO lines, 32 general purpose working registers, 3 flexible timer counters with compare modes, internal and external interrupts, serial programmable USART by oriented to wire serial interface, SPI serial port, 6 channel 10-bit AD converter, 8 channels in TQFP and QFN MLF packages, programmable watchdog timer with internal oscillator and 5 software selectable power saving modes. They have parameters. As you can see, there are so many parameters, which is a parameter: CPU type, performance, flash memory, SRAM, EEPROM, pin count 32, maximum operating frequency, number of touch channel, hardware Q touch acquisition, maximum IOP pins, external interrupt, USB interrupts, USB speeds, and their applications is as of 2013. The 80 mega 328 is commonly used in many projects and autonomous system where a simple, low power, low cost microcontroller is needed. Perhaps the most common implementation of this chip is on the popular Arduino development platform, namely the Arduino Uno and Arduino Nano model. The HC05 Bluetooth module is an easy to use Bluetooth SPP. It stands for Serial Port Protocol module, designed for transparent wireless serial connection setup. Serial port Bluetooth module is fully qualified Bluetooth V 2.0 plus EDR, enhanced data rate, 3 Mbps modulation with complete 2.4 GHz radio transceiver and baseband. It uses CSR Blue Core 04 external single chip Bluetooth system with CMOS technology and with AF. It has the footprint as small as 12.7 mm into 27 mm. Hope it will simply your overall design development cycle. The uses of HC05 Bluetooth module. It has two operating modes. One is the data mode, in which it can send and receive data from other Bluetooth devices, and the other is the AT command mode, where the default device setting can be changed. We can operate the device in either of these two modes by using the K pin as explained in the pin description. It is very easy to pair the HC05 module with microcontroller because it operates using the serial port protocol. Simply power the module with plus 5 volt and connect the RX pin of the module to the TX of MCU and TX pin of module to RX of MCU as shown in the figure. As you can see, during power up, the K in can grounded enter into command mode. If left free, it will by default enter into data mode. As soon as the module is power, you should be able to discover the Bluetooth device as HC05. Then connect with it using the default password 1234 and start communicating with it. The name, password, and other default parameters can be changed by enter into the appliance. It has applications. So let's see. Wireless communication between two microcontrollers. Communicate with laptop, desktop, and mobile phones. Third one is data logging application. Fourth, consumer applications. Fifth, wireless robots. Sixth, home automation. 4 channel relay module. This is a 5-volt 4 channel relay interface board, and each channel needs a 15 to 20 mA driver current. It can be used to control various appliances and equipments with large current. It is equipped with high current relays that work under AC 250 volt 10A or DC 30 volt 10A. It has a standard interface that can be controlled directly by microcontroller. Mm, and there are principles from the picture below. You can see that when the signal port is at low level, the signal light will light up, and the optocoupler 7817C, it transforms electrical signal by light and can isolate input and output. Electrical signals will conduct and then transistor will conduct. The relay coil will be electrified and the normally open contact of the relay uh, will be closed. When the signal port is at high level, uh, the normally close contact of the relay will be closed. So you can disconnect the load by controlling the level of the control signal port. There is pin description. Input VCC positive supply voltage, ground IN1, IN4 relay control port, output connector load DC 30 voltage 10A, AC 250 voltage 10A, and they have some features. First, size 75 mm, length 55 mm, width 90.3 mm, height. Second, weight 61 kg, sorry 61 gram. Third, PCB color blue. Fourth, there are four fixed screw holes at each corner of the board, easy for install and fix. The diameter of the hole is 3.1 mm. Fifth, high quality signal relay is used with single pole double throw a common terminal, a normally open terminal, and a normally closed terminal. Sixth, optical coupling isolation, good anti interfaces. Seventh, close at low level with indicator on, release at high level with indicator off. 8. VCC is system power source and JDVCC is relay power source. Ship 5-volt relay by default. Plug jumper cap to use. Ninth, the maximum output of the relay DC 3 volt 10A, AC 250 volt 10A. As you can see, they have some coding. Sketch for displaying data received via Bluetooth on serial monitor. As you can see that they have coding. Let's see how it is designed. Low cost and efficient smart home system is presented in our design. This system has two main modules, the hardware interface module and the software communication module. At the heart of this system is the Arduino Mega 626P microcontroller, which is also capable of functioning as a microwave server and the interface for all the hardware modules. All communications and controls in this system pass through the microcontroller. Designing the circuit, as you can see the diagram. The circuit diagram on the board. So they have a technical specification for this project. First, a smartphone or an Android mobile which should have the Android app installed in it. Second, a Bluetooth receive module. Our project will be connected to the smartphone using Bluetooth technology. Third, controller or the main processing circuit. In this project, Arduino Uno is the main controlling process unit. So for the LCD display, the liquid crystal display is optional but shows important message like device status once command is received from Bluetooth. Fifth, relays to control device. We have used 12 volt single push single throw relay. Sixth, the output devices for the demo purpose. We connected a DC devices to a relay. You can connect any AC/DC devices to the remaining three relays. Also, device 6 is a buzzer. There are some properties of home automation. First, security. Second, energy efficiency. Third, savings. Fourth, convenience. Some construction of home automation. First, cost of intelligence. Second, technology learning curve. Third, video surveillances. and their applications of this project. First, using this project we can turn on or off appliances remotely, that is using a phone or tablet. Second, the project can be further expanded to a smart home automation system by including some sensors like light sensors, temperature sensors, safety sensors, etc., and automatically adjust uh, different parameters like room lighting, air conditioning, door locks, etc., and transmit the information to our phone. Third, additionally, we can connect to internet and control the home from remote location over internet, and also monitor the safety. Future development of the project. Fourth, Arduino based device control using Bluetooth on a smartphone. Project can be enhanced to control the speed of the fan or volume of the buzzer, etc. Fifth, home automation and device controlling can be done using Internet of Things IoT technology. Sixth, we can replace Bluetooth by GSM modem so that we can achieve device controlling by sending SMS using GSM modem. So, the sum automation system has been experimentally proven to work satisfactorily by connecting sample appliances to it, and the appliances were successfully controlled from a wireless mobile device. We learn many skills such as soldering, writing a circuit, and other tools that we use for this project, and was able to work together as a team during this project. The Bluetooth client was successfully tested on a multitude of different mobile phones from different manufacturers, thus proving its probability and wide compatibility. Thus, a low cost home automation system was successfully designed, implemented, and tested. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.